Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a quick look at the sneakers releasing in July of 2022. So without any further ado, let's get it poppin'. Pow! I made a similar video to this last month and it seems like a lot of you guys liked it. And I also got some comments saying that you wanted to see my beautiful face on camera. So here we are, I'm on camera, but we're gonna do it a little bit different this time. I'm gonna pop up the screen right now. Come on. The screen, come on editor, the screen. Okay, there we go. So here we are on the Nice Kicks website. We're just gonna be taking a look at all of the sneakers releasing in July of 2022. For the ones that catch my eye, I'm gonna break it down a little bit, tell you guys how I'm feeling about them. And if we're not feeling them, we might just roll through it. But if you guys see anything that I might have rolled through or they're not on this website, please let me know in the comment section down below what you're gonna be going for and why you might be going for it. But without any further ado, let's get it started. So first things first, we're using Nice Kicks. I'll have them linked down below in the description. This is not plugged or anything, but if you guys are looking for sneaker release dates, Nice Kicks is the website to go for. Let's get this thing started and let's see what we have. So today is July 1st. So tomorrow, the day that this video drops, the Air Jordan 1 Low in the bleached coral colorway will be dropping. I'm not the hugest fan of Jordan 1 Lows. I do have a triple white pair, but other than that, I'm not really feeling it too much. And this is a women's release. I don't think they're gonna be going for too much in terms of resale, so I'm just gonna kind of roll through this one real quick. I feel like these were included in the last month's sneaker release date, which means that these got pushed back. They are labeled as the bleached coral on this website, but I think in the past video, I referred to them as the Haze Air Jordan 1s. So if you guys are looking for a nice pair of solid Air Jordan 1s, these might be it. Especially if you haven't had a pair before and you're not trying to spend some crazy money, I think this is a really good alternative. It's just a simple mixture of colors, gray, black, and white. I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. It's just a simple and easy shoe to wear. And the last time I checked, they're not hitting too crazy on StockX. Let's keep it moving here. The Blends and Vault by Vans collection. I was just at Blends in San Diego. Shout out to Evan for having us at the store. He told me that these were dropping. I think it's cool, but I haven't worn Vans in a while, so I'm just gonna roll over those. Nike Dunk High, Next Nature. Not really feeling this vibe, but if you guys are feeling it, you can let me know in the comments down below. Nike Air Bow Turfs. It's getting a little rocky here. Okay, July 6th, the Air Jordan 1 Low Fly Ease Biohack will be releasing. This model looks a little bit weird, obviously. The majority of the shoe is a Jordan 1, but they added some extra features to it. It just looks a little bit funky. I do like the colorway though. I love the Biohack Air Jordan 1 highs, but the lows, it looks weird, especially with this whatever they did with this. I'm just not feeling it. You'll probably find those at the outlets, I'm not gonna lie. The next shoe that will be releasing on July 6th is the Nike Dunk High I Got Next. Pretty simple colorway. I mean, personally, it's not for me, but if it's for you, then it's for you. You know what I mean? We're probably gonna skip over these Air Forces. These New Balances though. New Balances have been growing on me for a while. I've tried on my homies' pairs that are a little bit too big for me, but they still feel comfortable. So I might give these ones a shot right here. These look pretty cool. If you guys have any recommendations on models or anything, let me know down below. I'm just going for that nice, comfortable runner vibe. Nothing too crazy, all right? The retail price is pretty high though, $204, and they'll be releasing on July 7th. I think it's a pretty clean colorway. It has that cream. Next up, we got some Nike Dunk Lows Sun Clubs. Retail price $110, releasing on July 7th. Definitely a summer shoe. Am I gonna be going for it? I don't think so. It's just, there's a lot going on right here, and I personally just don't think I need something like this in my collection at the moment. Ooh, these New Balances. Okay, I like these more than the first ones. Something about the black. I'm pretty sure that's like a suede or nubuck material. That looks really nice. I like those a lot. The Nocta Nike Air Hot Step Triple Blacks. These are the Drake Nike collabs. Retail price is going to be $180, and they'll be releasing on July 7th. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of these, but I've seen people pull off the white ones that released. Hopefully these ones resell for all my resellers out there trying to make a quick buck. But other than that, it's just a very simple shoe, pretty basic, nothing too crazy. We got some Air Jordan 1 mids in the mix. Now, I don't know why they did this, but the Jordan 1 highs, the Hazes, are set to release on the 2nd. Why would you release something that looks so similar to it as a mid 5 days later? I'm pretty sure people are gonna want the highs over the mids. This is something that you get a side piece. This isn't something you get for your main course, you know what I'm saying? This is something that, you're talking to a girl, whatever, you want to give her something, you give her this. But it's nothing serious. These Air Jordan 2s look funky. I'm not a huge fan of 2s, so I can't really speak on it, but hey, if you're into it, you're into it, right? Moving on down, we have the Nike Dunk Low Lisa Leslie. I think we could skip over these. Oh, these are nice. Okay, here we go. These Dunk Highs are pretty nice. Retail price is $110, releasing on July 13th. The laser blue Nike Dunk High colorway. These are clean. They remind me of the UNCs. Looks like a pretty nice shoe, and hopefully with all, the dunks coming out, these aren't gonna be too crazy on the resale market. So if you guys are looking for a nice Dunk High, I think these are a pretty good shoe. Hopefully not too hard to get. Wow, there's a lot of dunks coming out. This is the year of dunks. I mean, last year was the year of dunks, but this year is the year that everybody gets tired of dunks. A lot of dunking going on. Wow, even more dunks. These are a pass for me though. Hard pass. July 14th. We could live without those. Nike SB Dunk Low Phillies. This colorway looks pretty clean. Something about a Nike SB Dunk Low with the gum sole. July 14th, man. July 14th. Wow, I haven't seen the penny model in a minute. This actually reminds me of high school when I was, just getting into shoes. I used to see a lot of people wearing the pennies. Haven't really seen too much of this nowadays, so it's cool to see they're doing the pennies with social status. Wow, and retail price is 190 bucks. Kind of pricey. I ain't gonna lie, kind of pricey. Got some New Balances. Not a huge fan of these. I like the ones that we first saw. Those were sick. Ooh. This colorway of the pennies looks really nice as well. I think this shoe right here is going to take the cake in terms of sneaker releases for July. The reverse mocha Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. I think this is the best looking colorway of all the Travis Scotts. Every single colorway that released, this one is the best one right here. Just something about that cream, the brown, the white to break it up. This one is a nice shoe. Retail price is $150. Will you get it for retail? I hope to God you do. Knowing me and my luck, I already know what the outcome's gonna be, but it's all good. Would I pay resale for these? Absolutely not. Would I cop for retail though? Absolutely. This shoe is fire right here. Oh, Wave Runners are coming back in August? Is that Easy Day? Oh, that is Easy Day. We gotta save that for August, but that's pretty much it for the sneaker releases of July. I'm pretty sure as the month goes on, there's gonna be more shoes that get added to this list right here, but this is all that Nice Kicks has at the moment. I wanted to make this video just to let you guys know what's going on for the month of July, because sometimes I know you could get busy, you might not see certain things, and I'm like that too. Sometimes I'll look at my phone and see, bam, this shoe released today, and I'm like, bro, I didn't even see anything on that. Just kind of reminding you guys of what's releasing this month. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel. That's where you're gonna find a whole bunch of car content, business content, just everyday life content. If you guys are interested in that, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could throw me a sub on there. I just purchased a new car and I'll be picking it up very soon. So again, if you guys want to check that out, that'll be linked down below. I also have a website if you want to check it out. That is shopsotopia.com, where I sell brim benders, custom goods, sneakers, and all that good stuff, which will be linked in the description down below as well. I'll see you guys very soon for the next video though. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay, and have a beautiful 4th of July weekend. I'll see you guys very soon for the next one. I'm out. Peace.